guys, today back on Gigi's Life, and today we are going to be making the ultimate fluffy slime. So what I'm going to be using today is a gallon of Elmer's School Glue, yellow food coloring, pink Pearl X powder, borax solution, and the borax solution is 1 tablespoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water, and then I'm also just going to be using some shaving foam. So yeah, and then I'm just going to be using a normal spoon in a normal plastic container to make my slime. So yeah, I'm just take this out, pour some glue in, put in some glue. Wait. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and hit the like and notification bell so when I make more videos, you can see it. So, yes. Oh. Ah! Okay, let's open this up. Oh my gosh. Glue everywhere. I'm going to put a little bit of glue because I'm going to be putting a lot of shading. Just put a little bit of glue. That's it. That's it. Oopsie. Whoopsie. Okay. For some reason I like mixing around random glue because it looks so pretty. Okay, I'm going to put, my shaving cream in first. So I'm just put my borax here. Let's shake it up with me. Guys, if you haven't clicked the like button in 1, 2, you guys have to click the like button in 5 seconds. And if you do it before that, then I think we have enough luck to get enough shaving cream to make a really fluffy slime, alright? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you guys press the like button? Comment down below if you did. And let's just put our shaving cream in now. It looks so cool. It looks so fluffy. Look so fluffy, look so fluffy. Mix in the fluff, mix in the fluff, mix in the fluff, mix in the fluff, mix in the fluff. It looks so fluffy. I'm putting more shaving cream because this is a fluffy slime. We're making the ultimate fluffy slime, so we're making a lot of fluffy slime. Sorry, I'm talking like this, guys. I know it's very annoying. Okay, that's really fluffy. Now, I'm not adding any more shaving cream. I think this could need some more glue because I put so much shaving cream. Okay, that's it. Oh my gosh, it is so heavy. Okay, now I'm going to put my color. 2 drops of yellow and a dash of pink pigment. Guys, that was a lot. But anyways, I'm just going to mix this in now. And I think the pigment is going to give it a nice glossy kind of looking texture. Puts a little, 2 more drops of yellow, and then no more yellow for the rest of the whole video, guys. That actually is a really pretty yellow. Yeah, guys, this is a really pretty yellow. It's like a creamy butter yellow kind of thing. And put some more yellow, guys, in it now. I said that we weren't gonna put any more yellow food coloring, but I know I break the rules sometimes. And it's nice to break the rules sometimes. Guys, for some reason, the yellow food coloring looks red. For some reason, guys. And then like blue and purple always look black for some reason. Okay, that's good. Now we're just gonna activate it. Okay. My arm. All this mixing is getting me tired. Hey, but at least I'm gonna have some nice yellow fluffy slime. I don't want it spraying on me. I'm just gonna pour it in, guys. I'm gonna break the rules and pour it in. Even though there is no rule that you can't pour it in, but you know what I mean. Oh, it's becoming slime! It's becoming slime! Try to get as much as I can off of the bowl. That is a lot of fluffy slime. And it feels really cool. Guys, I'm doing it. I'm going in with my hands. Why did I do this? I'm just put my spoon right here. I was about to say my fluffy slime. I'm not taking my fluffy slime out. It's not ready. This fluffy slime is not ready. It still needs to be inside of its habitat bowl. I know that sounds weird, but it's true. It needs to be inside of its habitat bowl. And this is a nice fluffy slime, if you ask me. Got a fluffy slime. And I'm just gonna add this there because I don't want to waste that stuff. I don't want to waste no time. Okay, whatever. I'm just putting this in there. It looks super gross. It looks like eggs, which is super gross. Guys, comment down below if you guys like eggs. I don't.
Fluffy?
It's fluffy!
Nice.
I made fluffy slime! So... I'm gonna make a white fluffy slime now. That's my yellow fluffy slime. Now let's make the white fluffy slime. Right, get all this stuff of it because I don't want my yellow stuff from this slime in my white slime because then it's going to be yellow. And I don't want that in my slime. So, mixing this stuff into this fluffy slime. Guys, I love this. It's so fluffy. Okay, so here's the yellow fluffy slime. It's a little bit overactivated, but it's still a really nice fluffy slime. It looks very fluffy and it's very squishy. So that's my fluffy slime. Let's take this yellow stuff off. Okay, now let's pour in some glue to make our second white fluffy slime. I should have put some gold pigment in there. I don't know. Let's see. Let's look at bronze. I don't think I've used the bronze yet. So. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to put in some bronze. Some bronze pigment. Oh guys, I haven't used it yet because it has a top on. Okay. Oh wow, that's sparkly. Oh wow, okay, that's really sparkly. Guys, look at that sparkle. That's a lot of bronze. Just gonna mix in my bronze color. Mix in my bronze color. Guys, that actually gave it color. Now it's kind of gross, but it's supposed to be looking like bronze. It's not looking like bronze very much. It needs more sparkle in it. It needs that red, brownish sparkle. Ooh, Dad, look! It's red.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty red color.
Pretty cool, kid.
And I just put a little bit of this.
See this one? The blob.
Fluffy.
Cool stuff.
Fluffy. Anyways, guys, so yeah, this is my red. I think it's really pretty. Now I'm gonna put the shaving cream. Oh wow, okay. I'm just like, oh wow, okay. Now I don't think it's gonna be as red because I put the shaving cream in. I don't think it's gonna be. My arm's gonna fall off if I mix anything else. Shaving cream! Guys, it's literally so satisfying to look at that. That's such a good fluffy slime. Okay, just gonna keep mixing this fluffy slime. Sorry, it's been kind of a long video. But yeah, I'm gonna put some more bronze because color of it kind of got lost in slime. getting the bronze color I want back. Oh my gosh, my arm. My arm. I need to play with some of fluffy slime. Some pre-made fluffy slime. Focus on me. Okay, thank you very much. This is the fluffy slime that I made in my last one. It's so jiggly and fluffy. And then like it bounces like a ball. Like the little, the foam balls that you guys get at the like claw machines and stuff that you can't even throw. Or they'll explode. So guys, the little foam balls that you guys get at like the claw machines, they do not blow up. Just being funny, they do not blow up. Don't be scared. They do not blow up. Oh my gosh, look at that color. It is so pretty. I think it's time to activate. Just gonna pour in some activator. I know you guys are thinking, oh my gosh, she forgot to put in a little bit more glue. I only put in a little bit more glue for that one because that one seemed a little bit too fluffy that it wouldn't work. This one seems really easy to activate. Super easy to activate, guys. Ooh! Looks so fluffy. Guys, I don't know which one I'm gonna like better. This one or the yellow Easter thing one? Oh my gosh. This looks kind of really gross. Is it a bad thing to put copper pigment in white glue? I think so. It looks gross. It kind of has a pretty color to it. It's sparkly. It has pretty sparkles in it, kind of. Wait, I know how I can make this better. Since it's kind of brown, I can name it brownie batter.
There you go.
Brownie batter fluffy slime. This is the brownie batter fluffy slime. Sparkle brownie batter fluffy slime. Wow, that came out very, 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 very long. Oh, no, fluffy slime. Blah, 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 fluffy slime. I love fluffy slime. I love fluffy slime. Okay. This is it, guys. This is the brown fluffy slime. This is the yellow fluffy slime that I made today. I have to say, this one is a little bit more fluffier, but this one feels more like slime. I'm gonna have to say this one is my favorite, because it's just so fluffy. I mean, right? Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. here's this, and I'm gonna put these two together. But first, guys, let's just do some fluffy slime ASMR. So yeah, guys, comment down below what was your favorite. And now for the last part of this video, which was like 21 minutes long. Okay, let's take this slime out and put some silver pigment inside of it to make it a green silver slime with green glitter. Let's open up our silver. Okay. Stop. Oh gosh. Look at that silver color. So pretty. So pretty, 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 pretty. Okay. This is it. Oh my gosh, I'm spilling everywhere. Come on, let's have a moment to look at this. Let's have a moment to look at this, people. Look at it. Look at it. It's silver. It's silver. I'm doing it, guys. I'm mixing in the silver. I'm mixing in the silver. That's a lot of pigment. This is the silver slime with green glitter. It used to be clear. Now it's silver. Just picking up the extra pigment. I don't want to waste no pigment. No pigment. I don't want to waste no pigment. Can't stop me. I'm not gonna waste no pigment. Waste no pigment. Just put in some activator because guys, you have to see the borax in this. Okay, anyways, this is what it looks like. But you guys have to see the activator. Pigment powder activator is so pretty. And you guys look at this. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that. It's so sparkly. Look at that. It's so sparkly. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's so sparkly. Look at it. But yeah, super sparkly. And this is my silver slime. Look, Daddy, it's silver now.
Well, that came out cool.
Yeah, with green glitter. So this is my silver slime with the green glitter. It's so silvery. Now it's the silver one. We have our brownie batter. This is our brownie batter fluffy slime. And then this is our yellow punch. Let's call this one yellow punch. So yeah, this one's called yellow punch. Yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Click the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And I'll see you later. Okay, bye.